I'm super excited to post this video today because it's the official launch of my first ever trap suite called the Grim Trap Bundle. I handcrafted this bundle of over 900 samples and loops for producers just like me and you who have been searching for a quality pack of sounds and samples to make better trap beats. In this brief video, I'm going to show you how to use the bundle and preview a few sounds for you. Now let's open up Ableton and get to it. I made the Grim Trap bundle to work in any DAW, so if you use FL Studio or Logic or anything else, you're good to go. If you use Ableton, the first thing you want to do is open your browser and then hit the Add Folder button down at the bottom, and then point it to wherever your Grim Trap bundle is stored, and then hit Select Folder. And then you can see it'll bring it up in your browser so you can audition sounds super quickly. Let's open it up, and you can see that there's 5 kits: the Raven Drum Kit, the Grave One-Shot Kit, the Abyss Phrase Kit, the Dimension Effects Kit, and the Scythe Melody Kit. The Scythe Melody Kit is a high-quality group of 10 beat-ready melodies with the stems included. And to use these, simply grab it and drag it into your timeline. I learned this from buying Jay Cactus's kits, and I think it's a really good idea. You can see that all of the stems are included in the main melody file, so there's not multiple files for each melody. If you want to just use the melody, simply delete everything after the first 32 bars. You can see that there's a 16-bar A section and a 16-bar B section, so this could be your hook and this could be your verse, or you could use this as a bridge or anything else. If you want to use the stems, start at the first clap and highlight all the way to the second clap, then drag it down to its own track, and then continue that with the rest of the stems. Now you can see because of the claps, everything is lined up perfectly. So delete the last 2 bars, and then delete the first 2 bars, and you have your complete melody stemmed out. The Dimension Effects Kit is one of my favorites. It's got accents, downlifters, impacts, risers, textures, and transitions. The accents are a group of one-shots to help add depth and shimmer to the background of your beats. The risers and downlifters are pretty self-explanatory, but if you open it up, you can see that there's a group of actual synth risers and downlifters, as well as a group of white noise risers and downlifters. The transitions are a group of super tight hits to help signal changes between A-B sections, going from hooks to verses, or simply to add tension to a melody. And then finally, there's a pack of textures. There's drones, organic textures, and the main textures. The drones are longer and drawn-out textures for adding depth. Organic textures are sounds you'd hear in everyday life, like birds, rain, or traffic. And the main textures are custom synth textures for adding body and sparkle to your melodies. The Abyss Phrase Kit has custom phrases of all the instruments you see here, so bells, guitar, piano, plucks, strings, and vocals. But one thing I did different with my phrase kit is the strings. If you open it up, you can see there's a group of standard string phrases between violins and ensembles, but you can see this single notes folder. If you open this up, this has 24 string phrases ranging from note A1 to G♯6. You can see that each sustained string sample has a 4-bar loop of a single sustained string note. And then that transitions into another 4-bar loop of a double octave sustained string note. This gives you the freedom to quickly add strings to your beat and pitch them up or down 1 octave to retain clarity. The Grave One-Shot Kit is a group of one-shot samples for all of the main sounds you'd ever need for trap beats. There's bells, bass, bowed strings, brass, flutes, guitar, you have some mallets, piano and keys, and then plucked strings. And finally, the Raven Drum Kit. My pride and joy. Every drum hit was made from scratch and processed to hit hard with no additional processing on your end. This kit has 407 drum samples and loops, including 100 808s, claps, full drum loops, hi-hats, kicks, open hats, percussion hits, percussion loops, rim shots, snaps, and then snares. You can get the Grim Trap bundle on sale this week only for just $35. That's almost 50% off. And if you're just looking for drums, you can get the Raven drum kit by itself for just $20. After launch week is over, they both go up to full price. Click the links in the description or the pinned comment to grab your copies today. And also, if you want to learn how to make beats with the kit, click here.